This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This video shows step-by-step how to send files using Bluetooth. Start by checking both devices for Bluetooth support and battery level above 20%. Keep devices within 10 meters and remove obstacles between them before pairing. Turn on Bluetooth in the Settings app and make the sending device visible. On the receiving device, enable Discovery Mode and accept incoming pairing requests. Confirm device names match and avoid similar nearby devices to prevent accidental pairing. If prompted, enter or confirm the numeric code shown on both screens. Open Bluetooth settings on both devices to begin the pairing process. On the sending device, tap Scan or Pair New Device to find nearby devices. Select the receiving device name from the Found Device list and tap Pair. Verify the numeric code matches on both devices before you accept the pairing request. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry after 10 seconds. Some devices require you to allow contact access or file transfer permissions during pairing. Once paired, the status will read connected or paired on both devices. With devices paired, you can send files directly from apps or the file manager. Select the file, tap Share, then choose Bluetooth from the Share menu options. Choose the paired receiving device and accept the transfer prompt on the receiving device. Transfer speed varies with Bluetooth version. Bluetooth 5 typically offers faster rates than 4. 2. Keep devices within 5 meters and avoid large metal obstacles during the actual transfer. If transfers fail, retry. Restart apps or delete old pairings and pair the devices again. After completion, verify the file size and open the file to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.